Why is your daddy suddenly putting on glasses and staring at the sky? The midday sky goes dark and the sun disappears. Is it the end of the world? Actually, it's not something scary at all, but a fascinating astronomical event called a solar eclipse. Let's join Kitty to learn about this special astronomical phenomenon. The sun is at the center of our solar system. The Earth orbits around the sun, and the moon orbits around the Earth. A solar eclipse happens when the moon moves between the sun and the Earth, blocking the sun's light. From Earth, we can see the sun gradually covered by the moon. First, it looks like the sun has a small bite taken out of it. Then more and more of the sun is covered until, in a total eclipse, it looks like the sun has disappeared completely. During this time, the sky becomes very dark, like nighttime, and you can see the sun's outer atmosphere, called the corona, shining around the moon. There are three types of solar eclipses: total solar eclipse, partial solar eclipse, and annular solar eclipse. During a total solar eclipse, the moon completely covers the sun, making the sky dark like night. A partial solar eclipse happens when the moon covers only part of the sun. An annular solar eclipse occurs when the moon is farther from Earth and doesn't cover the sun completely, leaving a bright ring. So, can we observe a solar eclipse safely? Remember, never look directly at the sun. Always use special eclipse glasses or safe viewing methods. It's crucial to protect our eyes from harmful solar radiation. That's the solar eclipse in the simplest terms. Kitty hopes that you little ones will enjoy it. See you next time for more exciting lessons. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational videos.